Jazz hands, baby. Alright, we're working on the short block again today. And we got that thing going on, that thing going on, that thing going on, that thing going on. The two timing guide's going on, the oil pump is going on, that's going on.
That's going on.
That's going on.
Hi!
And hopefully this bottom end should start looking like more than a block today. It should be nice. So let's do some butt stuff first.
It's sick. I love butt stuff. Alright, back to the real deal. Oh shit, we missed things. There's stuff going on.
So that
What is it?
goes on there. This bracket needs to go on.
Yes.
What's this one?
You what?
Is this one?
Flex. Yeah, I did one of these, and then like instead of the nut just tightening by itself, it took this with it and just fucking bent the whole thing. Hoping it doesn't do that.
Satisfying smack.
But it's not.
Bust us.
This is an oil drain tray.
Although you could say, not bad.
These are bags of hardware. No. No. If there are 10, and this is it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, baby! Ooh!
He just calls everything a fastener. Because they fasten things. So, I mean, it's an equal name.
But bolt is just a more satisfying word. It's like abrupt, you know what I mean? Bolt.
Like you feel like more secure.
Yeah.
Like if you hear like, yeah, it's bolted on this. It's just like, oh yeah.
I feel just as secure when someone says fastened.
Like I feel like that's only appropriate like when it's like fasten your seatbelt.
Yeah, but see that's the thing though. That's your life that you're putting in jeopardy there, you know. So fasten your seatbelt. You're securing yourself there. You know, that's your life that you're talking about.
Bolted to the seat.
I mean, technically,
You'd be a lot safer if you were bolted to the seat.
I don't know about that though. I don't know about that. Riding a horse or a bike, you don't want to get bolted onto that. That's not fun. I really want to see someone get bolted onto a horse though.
I guess you could say it's fastened on.
It is fastened on.
It is, but
because that's a fastener.
More
of sorts.
I think it's bolted on.
I think
bolted is just a stronger word.
I think that they're relatively equal. They're synonymous within themselves.
Like I feel more secure with like a bolt of electricity rather than a fasten of electricity.
You weak male.
Fucking misogynist.
Alright, so I was gonna install the oil pump, but we're not because I don't have new dowel pins for that and that. So I'm gonna go get some tomorrow and hopefully that they have them in stock. If not, fuck, oh well. And I thought there was an oil pump gasket from the oil pump to the block. I couldn't really find one, so I'm gonna do some more research because that kind of sketches me out. But I don't know. I guess if there's no gasket, there's no gasket. But I would think that there'd be a gasket there. But all right, you feel me?
Why can't we use the old dowel pins? Out of curiosity.
Because if I pull them out, they're gonna not be in circular dowel pins anymore.
That makes sense. Do you think you could take it out with bread?
No. Ooh. For safety. Oh! Now we're gonna die. That was for safety.
Safety last, bro. What you doing?
Pulling the Jesus bolt off, bro.
Why?
Because I got a new one. That's why. Now we have das oil pump chain. Yeah. Little suck. There it is. There's one.
Mandatory purpose.
Other important plastic.
Multiple important plastics. Your MIPs. Had to change your MIPs.
It's a congregation of multiple important plastics.
The other might say important chain.
Always have to have gold chain, so you know. Everyone knows your slough super.
Oh, cut to Quinn wearing the old timing chain.
I like that. I like that fucking ice, bro.
Dude. Who else wears timing chains as fucking necklaces, bro?
We should start a new.
Look at that though. Just look how much it levitates off of your chest.
Bro, I'm a daily this. Right there.
You still haven't worn it in another video. You need to put it on like now.
No, I'm not gonna put
We're
it
doing
on.
chains this video, bro.
Can we call this motor 2 chains?
But it has 3 chains. No, now. But it will have 3 chains on it.
Okay, well for now it's 2 chains.
We took the rear wing off.
Yeah.
Front main seal, baby. We gotta.
Oh yeah, you gotta freaking lubricate it because we didn't lubricate the rear.
Oh fuck! I just dumped that all over the floor.
Get fucked.
That went on like significantly easier.
Yeah, we didn't have to pound it.
We're gonna have to pound it now. Good enough. Almost there.
Crack.
Yeah, right. Fuck. Hold.
Are you sure you're not talking about prop hunt?
It may have been like an altered version of Prop Hunt, but everyone was a cactus, and then you could blow up on the people that were hunting you. Like you were stuck with the same diaper babies that you would be when playing fucking Prop Hunt.
And then it was Arma.
Yep.
Daisy.
Yep, Daisy. And that's what's led to this whole PUBG Fortnite craze.
Yeah, I'm like nobody even knows. Like you used to have to fucking like wait until the server was like fucking empty and like run for half an hour to get to the zone where there was something, and you had to like check your temperature, make sure like it was like full Iron Man mode.
Yeah, yeah.
Any fucking day now.
Come on, boyo. Snap.
I know, that's what I'm afraid of.
I did that to the transmission in the Miata.
Abandoned ship. Ran one out like that.
Yeah, fucking snapped it. I was like, motherfucker.
Oh yeah, look at that. I think it's stretching.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Well, apparently the torque spec is fucking 132. Fuck that. We'll leave it at 89.
You gotta turn that around.
If it leaks, it leaks. For you fucks, yes, I'm keeping AC on this car because it's a convertible and I don't give a fuck how much it weighs.
Didn't you do a Sunday drive talking about that?
That did I drive a new AC?
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah, so go watch that video if you really want to complain, and go complain on that video instead of this one.
And this was the bracket I was actually amazed I was even able to take off, because I thought the front crank pulley had to be off in order to get it out.
I remember that.
Not. It's just a pain in the ass to get it off with the front bracket on. Front crank pulley, baby. So that big boy.
There's yelling going on.
Just like that.
Check that out. It's starting to look like a motor. And
Read that shit.
helicopters come to my house every once in a while. Just fly by over my house real slow. I'm like, oh. Just sit there and wave. Like, he's not here, go somewhere else. Doing that the right way?
Let me see. There's the weak pull. Freeze plug. Weak pull. Yeah, that's the right way.
Thank you.
let water pump fully. Very good. I have a tool for that, but fuck it.
Why would I make it easy on myself?
Ready for this, bro? Are you ready for this?
No.
Are you ready for this, bro?
Now I am. Ooh, get on there, baby.
Ooh.
On there.
So how is it? What's the name for the car now that it's not Little Wing?
What?
The sedan.
It is Little Wing.
No, it's not.
Its wing is just under surgery at the moment.
It just doesn't have a little wing on it. I didn't name it because it had a wing on it.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Hey.
No, I didn't.
Hey.
This is not going on the channel, by the way. This is a story for another time.
Well, now it has to go on the channel because it's
It
a
will
story
go on
for
the
another
channel, just
time.
as
And
a
subscribe,
I've already heard
subscribe to see that video later on. Subscribe and ring the bell to figure out why that car is named Little Wing.
That video will not come out. That is a video I'm gonna wait to do until the car is dope as fuck. Until I have dope as fuck
That's fine.
camera angles. It's not gonna be out for a while.
They aren't going to know about it unless they subscribe and ring the bell.
That's true. That's true.
Like a glove.
That's, well, that's a very large
I like my
glove.
gloves to be a little loose.
I'm not gonna torque this right now because I'm gonna fill the filter has a little oil. That's part of the priming setup for the motor, but it's still snug it. For them good feels. So that's the bottom end, baby.
I mean, it's a useless organ, but...
Yeah. Ooh, my goodness.
So it's not done, like you said earlier.
Yeah, so we're done doing bottom end stuff for now. We're going to do the rest of that later. I need to get dowel pins for the oil pump. But before we end tonight, I want to get the camshafts off the cylinder head because it's much easier to install ARP head studs without the cams in. So we're going to do that real quick. Ooh, mama. Alright. Ready? Ready?
It doesn't.
Ready?
It's done.
Motor's finished.
It's done.
Ultimate visual dictionary. Useful for something.
Wow,
Let's take a
you
moment.
got Harry.
Appreciate
Ooh,
how beautiful that is.
sex appeal.
Goodness. You look under there and you see the set of valves that are open.
Yeah.
Other side. Look down there, Merrick.
I'm trying to show the camera.
See that?
Yes, I see it.
If I set the cylinder head down on that, it's going to break those valves.
Ah, that makes sense. I understand now.
I don't have to keep them there that much to label, but
Makes it easy. That way you don't have to think about it. Even though you're still going to think about it.
yeah. Delicious. That's fine. Cam tree life. You remember the little nuts that go on the end of the stud? You have
Yes.
you have to feed it through that little gap to get them on. Fucking pain in the ass.
Fuck that.
Yep.
This is exactly why I'm taking these off. because it makes it so much easier to install the cylinder head. Ooh, we're ready for install. Ooh, ooh, baby. Tomorrow, 2 will become 1 with that ARP and MLS. Or no, we're running a cut ring now. It's gonna be mad. We made some stout progress on the motor today. Freaking hype, dude. The cylinder head's gonna go on tomorrow. It's gonna be mad. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I will see you guys later. Deuces!
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.